Anushka. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great. Welcome to the fourth episode of Diwali series 2020. If you don't know what Diwali series is, then till Diwali I'll be posting videos regularly. 3 of those videos are already up. This is the fourth one, and fifth one will be coming tomorrow. So I'll link all the 3 episodes in the description box below just in case you guys missed it by any chance. Okay, so today is a get ready with me for Diwali, and I'm going to be tell you how I achieved this look. Basically, not a tutorial. I do not want to call it a tutorial because I don't feel I'm good enough to give you guys a tutorial, but it's gonna be, yeah, you get it, right? We have that connection, you get me. Quick disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist or not a professional, so the methods that I use might be a little flawed, so let's not be bitter on each other. And I'm using these methods because they have been working well for me. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost step is gonna be obviously moisturizer, and I'm a little embarrassed to say this, but I use Johnson's Baby moisturizer for my skin. And yes, ever since I was in my Pampers, I'm pampering my skin with Johnson's Baby. So I'm gonna take a generous amount of this. It's a very nice lotion, by the way. If you guys are wondering, it's very nice. I don't know, I've always stuck to this. I've never used any other moisturizer or anything. I don't know why. I mean, I have used once or twice, but I've always stuck to this. So I'm gonna use this anyway. Also, not a lot, but quite few of you have asked me, how do I have clear skin? I have extremely dry freaking skin. That's why I do not have pimples, and it's very annoying. Trust me, it's very annoying when it's winter. Dry skin people will relate to. Alright, so the moisturization is done. Now, okay, so I'm not going with any foundation or concealer or anything because obviously it's Diwali and there's going to be a lot of heat, lot of smoke outside. So I'm only going to be using a BB cream. So I'll put a picture of it on the screen. Every product that I'm using will be on the screen so that you guys know what I'm using, and the shade name and everything will be on the screen. By the way, okay, so I'm not using any concealer or anything, as I said earlier. So I'm using the same BB cream that I have in my hand. I'll take my fingers and I'm just gonna dab it underneath my eyes like so. And with my fingers, I'm gonna blend this. And also never forget your neck. Never. Okay. So this is how my BB cream kind of looks like. I know it's not full coverage or anything, but it's fine. It's good for me. I'm sorry if the lighting changed a little. I changed the settings of the ring light. So yeah, that's beside the point. Now I'm gonna use a compact. And so yeah, and I'm only gonna apply it around my eye area, not anywhere else on my face, because I mentioned I have very dry skin, so I do not need it anywhere else on my face. Only around the eye. Using this very dirty brush, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here. I'm gonna be using this shade. I don't know if you guys can see a little different in both the eyes, but there is. And then I'm gonna use this shade right here, जो कि थोड़ा सा टूट गया है, थोड़ा नहीं पूरा ही टूट गया है. But the kurti that I'm gonna be wearing later in the video is of this color, not this color, but somewhere around this. So I'm gonna use my pinky finger and dab it in this shade and apply it like here. Then I'm gonna take the dirty brush and I'm gonna dip it in this shade right here. And the eyeliner I'm using is the best eyeliner out there, drugstore best eyeliner. It's the Lakme Insta waterproof liner, and I'm gonna apply a very teeny line on my eyelid. Just because of the reason, अगर मैं इसमें I'll make a very dramatic eyeliner, then I have to match it with this one, which is Real pain in the ASS. So I went a little overboard with the liner, but there's no going back, so I'm gonna stick to that. Then go with a kajal. This is Revlon's Khol Kajal. अपने recent Instagram makeup वाले post में I have used this. If you don't know what I'm talking about is, then you should follow me on my Instagram. Link is in the description. And I'm gonna apply it only halfway. I'll show you. Wait. You see, only halfway. I don't know why I do this, but I really like the look of it. It just looks very natural than when you put like a kajal on entire eye. Although I have freaking eyeshadow going on, but it still looks natural. You know what I mean? I know it's not the best, and I know I have done a lot of blunder here and there, but I'm gonna quickly do my other eye and then I'm gonna see. Alright, so both the eyes are done and this is how they look. I think I did a pretty good job of जितना मतलब मेरे से हो सकता था मैंने उतना किया है to make them look similar. I'm gonna be using this shade right here for my blush. Although I love using lipstick as blush because I feel that's the best good old trick that you can use for blush. And alright, so the blush is done. Now we are gonna move to highlighter. So highlighter that I'm using is Maybelline Master Strobing Stick Highlighter. I know I have memorized the name because मेरे से कोई 2-3 लोगों ने पूछा था. So yeah, I'm gonna apply it on the all high points of my faces and then blend it. Okay, so I never do my brows. Like, पर I'll take this black shade from this palette. Then I'm just gonna dust my brows a little. I'm also gonna be wearing earrings. So the earring that I'm wearing is not mine, it's my sister's. I use everything जो कि मेरी दीदी का है. It's like जो तेरा है वो मेरा है वाला scene. She doesn't use anything from my wardrobe. I use everything from her wardrobe. If you're watching this. I'll quickly wear my kurti and then see. Guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below if you guys haven't already. This was the 4th episode. Other 3 episodes will be linked in the description box below. And for 5th episode, do not forget to click on the bell notification to get notified. This is my Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Oh shit. I touched my nose with it. And I'm gonna take the excess from this because I do not like very essay liners. I like them, I don't know what I'm talking. So, mascara. This is the Maybelline's यही प्रॉब्लम है दिवाली के टाइम, एवरी टाइम पीपल आर बर्स्टिंग क्रैकर्स. So the Mascara series 2020. If you haven't watched other 3 episodes, then follow